Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. I hope you have a happy day today. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about my beginning time mistakes. I made so many mistakes in my beginning time. So I want to share that mistakes with you. Because if I share these mistakes with you, you will not make that mistake. That purpose I want to share my mistakes with you. I started my English practice 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I searched English related videos from YouTube. That time, I got Josmon Sar videos. Josmon Sar with OK Latif, Josmon Sar with Jasil. This kind of videos I got. Then I attracted in that videos. Because I thought if I do this kind of practice, if I join WhatsApp groups, I can also improve, I can also speak English. Then I got Josman sir phone number from his video. Then I took his number and I called Josman sir and I told him, sir, I like very much your method. Please add my number in his WhatsApp group. In your WhatsApp group. That time, Josman sir added my number in his groups. That manner I started my English practice journey. And I got the idea if I continuously do speaking practice with other people, I can improve my English skill. But other methods I didn't understand that time. Then I discussed this matter with other people. That time I got the idea. If I watch conversation videos, I get sentences from conversation videos. If I read English stories, I get simple sentences from stories. That time also I used to watch one conversation video one time. And I used to read one story one time. That time I didn't read multiple time, 3 times. Only I watched one video one time and I select another one and I watched that video one time. Then I selected another one and I watched that. This manner I did practice that time. And the same when I read story, I read one story one time. After I select another one and I read another one. And this manner I did practice. But when I started to speak with other people, that time I could speak with the people only few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 7 minutes, this kind of time only I could speak with other people. I couldn't understand my fault. Then I got a video, English native person video. He spoke in that video very simple English and he explained people make mistake. He explained most of the people they watch English videos only one time and people read English content only one time. When you read only when you watch only one time, you can understand. When you read English content one time, you can understand. But when you start to speak with other people, that time you don't get sentence to speak with other people. If you want to remember the sentences, you have to watch the same video multiple time, two time or 3 time, and you have to read the same English content multiple time. He suggested. That time I understood my mistake. Then I started to follow the method. This method. I select one video and I watch the same video multiple time and I select English content, especially simple sentence story, and I read the story multiple time. And I have been keeping this practice for this long time. Then when I started this practice method, multiple time watching habit, multiple time reading habit, I could understand my progress. So because I got good flow to speak with other people, I got so many sentences to speak. So I have been keeping this practice method this long time. Most of the people, they also make this mistake now also. Only people watch more and more videos only one time. People read English content more and more only one time. They don't watch multiple time. They don't read multiple time. So when they speak English, they they uh, they they get stuck. So I want select you. My previous time also I told this matter, but I want to inspire you who is stuck when they speak English. That time who is stuck, I want to inspire them. That purpose I again make this video, because I got a little fluency, so I want you also get fluency. That purpose I try to inspire you, because if you get any good point from my video, I'm very happy, because so many people, they have been practicing for long time. Nowadays also some people, they didn't understand how can do practice. So when whatever idea I get, I want my idea, I want share my idea with you. That purpose I make this kind of video. Sometimes I make conversation video with other people. Sometimes I make this level video inside room. Sometimes I'll make video from outside video, because because if I make different types of video, you will get different sentences from my side, and I also want to learn different types of sentences. That's purpose I make video, this manner video and conversation video, and from outside video. So if I want progress my English, and I want you progress your English. That purpose I created my YouTube channel. If you get any benefit from my video, I'm very happy. Okay, thank you so much. I shared my past mistakes with you. If you get inspiration, I'm very happy. Thank you so much. I will make another video next time. We will meet again. Thank you so much. Bye.